Want a logo all in one place? No background, colored, black and white, whatever. This is amazing for your projects. I came across it and I couldn't believe it. All logos are ready. You just have to download it. You don't even have to sign up or sign in. Marvelous. Just check it out. Let's do it. Scroll down. You have so many to choose from. Let's say I want one from Instagram. Look at the diversity. And all of them are like this. I knew you would love it. I just had to bring it to you. So if you like the video, do check out my channel. I have a lot of playlists with free AI tools which are so amazing. You won't regret it, I assure you. Thanks so much for supporting my work, being here with me, checking out my videos. Do like, subscribe, hit that notification button so that I can keep on bringing you the best free AI tools for you and your projects. Bye bye for now.